Today we're going to show you the Uniden Washington CB station, base station. It is amplitude modulation, upper sideband and lower sideband, 40 channels. This is from the 1980s. It was very popular radio and pretty expensive in the days. And we'll see why. It's actually a very good piece of equipment. 40 channels. So let's listen around a little bit first.
Have a good evening there. Also my friend 200 there in North Carolina, you hear him, tell him I did say hello. Well, we got a heavy and overcast condition here on the island. A few scattered showers down here in the Southland. I guess probably that's the reason for the conditions there. Down on the western horizon, there's a bit of cloud cover there. When there's a bit of cloud cover, I have some problems getting out on the western horizon there. QSL. I got a radio down here just about between 3 to 5 miles to that plug. I don't want this digging in, but it's really good. Conditions are really good. Fishing the water is not too blue. It's really good white water on the inside, but as you get outside on the duck plug banks, when they kept digging in, a little bit blue on the end. I just run hard myself on parts of high set down here on Sunday. There's a parts on Sunday is on double bait. So they run hard on double part to see what's going on. They get themselves on lobsters. Some double pot fish on there, kept digging in for sure. The snappers and so on, and that's about it. But good evening to you, 722. Appreciate the call back. This is still going to floppy copy. It's a worldwide Barney, me and this mobile. I just put it on my C5. I got that program going. Sit on, get that morning and get on the that program water and do some fishing. I'll see you. Bye bye. And runs 55, and then the conditions dropped up there to those boys there around Georgia, and I was not here in Florida. That was kind of strange. Well, I guess you guys are in the house there now. Go ahead. Hello there, Mr. Mikey. SOA double 02 would be clear with SOA 545 there around the Kennedy Space Center. Have a good evening there, Mikey. Say hello to everybody in 27.025, no doubt. Hello, Mr. B in New Orleans. Audio pipe, big.
Alright, let's have a quick look at the controls. This is obviously volume control and the off switch. We have a squelch. It's a nice squelch. It does not do the plopping. No popping. Sounds good. RF gain. Sorry, microphone gain, RF gain. This is the mode switch, amplitude modulation, upper sideband and lower sideband. So it's a sideband radio. Clarifier, mostly used in the sideband mode. Obviously we got the channel switch. This is to change the meter from S meter to modulation meter. This is the noise blanker or the automatic noise limiter, depending whether you're on AM or single sideband. You can hear that the noise actually is lower. This is the channel 9. Doesn't show up here, but it gives an indicator here. So no matter what you set this at, you will always be at channel 9, the emergency channel. Pretty straightforward. Front firing speaker. We have an AC power supply built in. Large meter, round, kind of an audio meter almost. Channel readout, and here you can see what mode was selected. Pretty simple. Let's see what the radio is doing in terms of the modulation. For that we'll use a monitor receiver. Alright, let's have a quick look at the inside of the radio. Took off the cover. As you see, the radio has its own AC power supply. This is the transformer. Regulator board gives off 13.8 volt. This is the main board. It's the classic Uniden chassis. It's funny that RCI radios, Ranger RCI radios are all based on this board, even up to this day. This is the crystal filter. This is the synthesizer section, synthesizer mixer, this crystal. This is the injection mixer for the single sideband generator. Here you see the, I don't know if it's visible, it's a TDA 6130. That's the same as the SO42P. That's used to mix the VFO frequency to the 27 megahertz band. Here is the PA. It's using a 2166 as the driver and the well-known 1969 2SC 1969 transistor in the PA. Can do about 20 watt peak. This is the harmonic filter for the transmitter. This here is the receiver section. Here you see the audio section, modulator and audio amplifier for the receiver. Here you see the, I don't know if it's visible, it's the digital selector. That gets you to 40 channels. Speaker and everything else that's needed to make it to work. As you see, this one is very clean, has not been messed with, or factory original condition. Even the PA filter has not been touched. All street legal, all factory original, in excellent condition. Quick look at the back of the radio. You should see Uniden 40 channel AM and a single sideband. As you can see, it can also run on 13.8 volts DC. That is the standard Uniden 3-prong connector, but it obviously has the built-in AC power supply, 120 volts, 60 hertz. Here is a fuse. This is the switch, DC or AC, so you need to set that for the correct mode that you want to operate in. We have an external speaker here, and we got a PA speaker, so you can use the thing as public address PA. And here is our SO239 antenna connector. Pretty straightforward. As you see, very nice condition, the base station from Uniden. For the modulation test, we'll go to lower sideband, channel 38. We got our bird watt meter connected to the rig, bird 43 with the 50 watt slug, so the full scale is 50 watts. We got our Yaesu FT817 at 27385, which is channel 38. We'll give a quick shout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radio is excellent on frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing lower sideband. Let's see what kind of power we get. We get 15 watts in the peak. Yeah, it's about 15 watts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 testing. Let's do a quick test in the other mode, upper sideband. Alright, we're on upper sideband now. As you can see and hear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upper sideband. It's 17 watts here, 17 watts. In upper sideband, works quite well. Let's do amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation. About 7 watts modulated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing amplitude modulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was amplitude modulation. Works quite well. Alright, back on AM channel 1. not too much going on today. And that was basically it. The Uniden Washington base station, 40 channel AM and upper sideband, lower sideband. This particular one is in excellent condition and it works very well. Completely original, has not been messed with. Thank you for watching this video.